Hi guys, Konstantin here from Konstantin's Gaming Channel. So today we're going to talk about a GPU which is quite old, I would say. It's a GeForce 2070, but given the current condition and the GPU shortage, I just want to do a quick video and ask myself, is this GPU still fit to play modern game titles, especially AAA ones? Is it worth buying if you find it anywhere second-hand? Because we all know it's really hard to find a GPU nowadays. So we're going to take this GPU through its paces and see if it's still worth it. As a bit of information, this is a Gigabyte GeForce 2070 2X. It's quite a decent model. It's not. It doesn't have many frills. There's no RGB on it. It's quite simply built. The plastic, it's not quite high quality. It's like cheap plastic. It does have two fans, which is good. I do believe they spin in opposite directions. That could be better. The cooling radiator is quite big, so I'm happy about that. It's a large chunk of aluminium, and it has some heat pipes as well. It's got 8 pins, which means it doesn't draw a lot of power. It's not very power hungry. So the design is very simple. Let me turn it around even more. The design is very simple. It's budget-like, but I'm hoping that they've put the money into the components and the performance is good, and then we'll see about that. Now, all I can say is, if I've checked on eBay and I've checked on Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree and all that, and they sell somewhere around 500 quid. This particular model, I bought it for £400 from a bloke, which is local to my area. He was a quite decent guy. So if you can find it somewhere around the mark of 400, I would say it's definitely worth it. Again, a GeForce 2070. I'm going to quickly tell you a little bit about it. So description wise, and let's see, specs. So right, GeForce 2070 based on Turing architecture. It's got maximum clock speed of 1700 megahertz, 8 gig of DDR6. It's got 256 bits. The memory is rated at 14 gigabytes per second. The base clock is 1410. Maximum memory bandwidth 448. It's got RTX. That's very important. It does have a shroud of RTX. The DLSS technology is DLSS 2.0. Maximum TDP 185 watt. What else? Hash rate is somewhere around 45 mega hashes, and FP 32 teraflops is somewhere around, let's have a look. It's got let me just look into the database now. So it's got 2304 shading CUDA cores. It's got 144 TMUs, 64 ROPs, 36 RM counts, 288 tensor cores, 36 RT cores, 4 megabytes level 2 cache, 64 kilobits level 1 cache, and it's got FP32 performance. It's got 7.465 teraflops. That is quite decent. So considering that a Xbox Series X has somewhere around, so PlayStation has somewhere around 10 teraflops, Xbox Series X 10 or 12 some teraflops. so it's just under one of these consoles, so it's still quite decent. I'm expecting to be a very good 2K gaming card, a very powerful 1080p gaming card. You can even try games that are not very demanding on 4K older titles, but what I want to see is how does it handle a new game like Far Cry 6, maybe Guardians of the Galaxy and stuff like that.